Hey space fans, let's talk Uranus. But first check out this awesome picture. That smudge? That's Neptune, our 8th planet. Pretty underwhelming, right? Don't judge a planet by its blurry photo. This image is important because it's linked to Uranus in a cosmic game of planetary hide-and-seek. Neptune's discovery was a big deal for astronomers. It proved something profound. Our solar system was bigger than we thought. And that brings us to our main attraction, Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun. Get ready for some serious planetary intrigue. Neptune's discovery wasn't just about finding another planet. It was a groundbreaking moment in the history of astronomy. It was about realizing that gravity was messing with Uranus's orbit. This revelation opened up new avenues of understanding in celestial mechanics. See, astronomers had been watching Uranus for years, charting its path. And something was off. The planet's movement didn't align with their predictions. It wasn't moving quite the way they expected. The deviations were subtle, but significant enough to raise questions. It was like Uranus was being pulled slightly off course by some unseen force. Enter Neptune. This mysterious force was none other than Neptune's gravitational pull. Its gravitational influence explained Uranus's wonky orbit. The discovery of Neptune validated the predictions made by mathematicians and astronomers. This was a huge victory for science. It was a testament to human ingenuity and the power of observation and mathematics. It showed that gravity worked the same way across vast distances. This principle was now confirmed beyond our immediate solar neighborhood. And it proved that even the biggest planets can't hide from the laws of physics. The discovery of Neptune was a milestone that reinforced our understanding of the universe. Now, let's talk about Uranus, the true rebel of our solar system. This gas giant is chilling on its side, literally. Imagine spinning a basketball and then kicking it at the same time. That's Uranus, tilted on its axis at a whopping 98 degrees. Why is Uranus such a sideways slacker? Astronomers think a long time ago, something massive slammed into Uranus with the force of 1,000 suns. This cosmic collision knocked it for a loop, leaving it permanently tilted. Talk about a bad day in the solar system. Uranus wasn't always on our cosmic radar. It took a curious astronomer named William Herschel to stumble upon it in 1781. And get this, he wasn't even looking for a new planet. He thought he'd found a comet. Talk about being in the right place at the right time. Herschel's discovery was a game changer. It was the first time a planet had been discovered using a telescope. Before that, the 5 known planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, were visible to the naked eye. Uranus, however, was too faint and distant to be spotted without some serious magnification. Section 5, Shakespeare in Space. Uranus's literary moons. Uranus is a planet of many talents. Not only is it tilted on its side, but it's also got a pretty impressive entourage of moons, 27 to be exact. And their names? They're straight out of Shakespeare. We're talking Oberon, Titania, Miranda, Ariel, and more. Why Shakespeare? Well, back in the day, astronomers liked to name celestial objects after mythological figures, but Uranus was a bit of a rebel. Remember that tilt? So, they decided to shake things up and go with characters from English literature. Section 6. Diamonds in the Sky. Uranus's sparkling secret. Hold on to your telescopes, folks, because Uranus has a blingy secret. Diamonds. That's right, the planet's atmosphere is thought to contain a treasure trove of these precious stones. It's like the ultimate cosmic jewelry box. How do diamonds form on a gas giant? The intense pressure and heat deep within Uranus's atmosphere create the perfect conditions for carbon atoms to bond together. These bonds form a super strong, super sparkly lattice structure, aka diamonds. Section 7. Planetary comparison. Uranus stands out and rolls around. Uranus is one of the 4 gas giants in our solar system, along with Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune. These planets are known for their massive sizes and gaseous compositions, making them distinct from the rocky planets like Earth and Mars. But unlike its massive cousin Jupiter, which could fit 1,300 Earths inside it, Uranus is a bit more modest in size. Jupiter's immense gravitational pull and size make it the king of the gas giants. It's still huge though, with a diameter 4 times larger than Earth's. This means that even though it's smaller than Jupiter, Uranus is still an enormous planet in its own right. But here's the thing. Uranus spins on its side, while the other gas giants spin more or less upright. This unique axial tilt of about 98 degrees makes Uranus stand out in the solar system. It's like Uranus is the ultimate cosmic rebel, going against the flow in the most literal way possible. This unusual tilt might be the result of a massive collision with another celestial body long ago, adding to its mysterious and intriguing nature. Section 8. Uranus. A gas giant with a sense of humor. Okay, we've had some fun with Uranus, and yes, its name has been the butt of countless jokes, but let's be real. Uranus is a fascinating planet with a lot to teach us about the universe. Its unusual tilt, its icy composition, its faint rings. These are all clues to understanding how our solar system formed and evolved. So, the next time you hear someone giggling about Uranus, remind them that there's more to this planet than meets the eye or the telescope. Section 9. Looking ahead. Unraveling the mysteries of Uranus. Uranus is still a big mystery to us. Despite being one of the largest planets in our solar system, it remains one of the least understood. We've only sent one spacecraft to visit it, Voyager 2, which flew by in 1986. This brief encounter provided a wealth of data, but it was just a glimpse. That flyby gave us incredible insights, but it also raised more questions than answers. The images and data collected were groundbreaking, yet they left scientists eager for more. What secrets lie beneath Uranus's cloudy exterior? Its atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, with traces of methane giving it a blue hue. What's the deal with its weird magnetic field? Unlike other planets, Uranus's magnetic field is tilted and offset from its rotational axis, creating a complex and unique magnetosphere. And could there be life lurking in the hidden oceans of its moons? Some of Uranus's moons are believed to have subsurface oceans which could potentially harbor life. These are questions that future missions to Uranus might help us answer. Scientists are already planning new missions to explore this enigmatic planet and its moons in greater detail. Until then, keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of our universe. The quest for knowledge is endless, and the mysteries of Uranus are just one piece of the cosmic puzzle.